Hello, this is Sergio from the ClinicSense support team, and today I will be showing you how to use and read the summary report within ClinicSense. To locate the summary report, you'll need to click on Reports from the top menu and selecting Summary on the left-hand side. The summary report will include information from the revenue, sales tax, appointments, and payments report. You can filter it by date range, so you can select a single day, a week, or any custom time period. Additionally, you can filter by practitioner. Please note that if practitioners want to view their own summary report, they'll need permissions to view the revenue, sales tax, appointments, and payments report. If they want to view a report for the entire practice, they'll also need permission to view other practitioners' reports. The same applies for office staff members. Once you've selected your desired filters, you can click Generate Report. The summary report includes a collection of data for the date range you've selected. This includes revenue and deferred revenue, as well as their totals. This comes from the revenue report. Any sort of tax that you collect, which comes from the sales tax report, you'll see totals for each of the taxes that were collected during that date range. Additionally, you'll see the number of appointments, which comes from the appointments report, and you'll see the total payments, which comes from the payments report. Additionally, you'll have the total redemptions in case you had any redemptions for this date range. It's also worth noting that the summary report will include any canceled appointments. Lastly, you'll be able to export the summary report by clicking on the Download CSV or Download PDF buttons on the top. I hope this helped explain the summary report, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Our email is support@clinicsense.com. Have a good one. Bye-bye.